Hey guys, it's Apollo here, and today I'm going to do an unboxing of the SD Cross Silhouette Freedom Gundam. Alright, here is the box itself. Now, again, I did mention in my direction unboxing that this guy got delayed because of if you guys don't know, just watch the direction unboxing. I explained everything about why the February shipment got delayed. But yeah, it's an unboxing. So yeah, well, it's a Freedom Gundam. Like I said, I'm trying to collect as much SD as possible because the old SDs I got are kind of ruined. Yeah. So yeah, so yeah, it's a Freedom Gundam. I'm not a huge fan of C, but I do like the designs of mobile suits. So let's put it that way. And in fact, I did watch C when I was a kid, and can't remember much whether I liked it or not. The only thing I remember when I was a kid is like when I saw C on the TV, and I told my mom, "Hey mom, when are the robots gonna fight?" That's all I said, and I kept repeating that all over and over again. My mom got tired of it. Yeah, that's how. Yeah, never mind. Let's not go there. I'm not too fancy, to be honest. But yeah, so yeah. Here on the side here, you got the stuff you can do. You can choose SD proportions or the CS the crossover proportions. If you guys know by now, I'm more of a SD kind of guy. I don't really really like the SD mode, sorry, the CS mode, the crossover mode, because that takes away the cuteness of an SD, basically. And the side for the kit looks like straight out of the box, unpainted with stickers on top. Again, that's the mission retail price. So, and don't know how much this guy cost. I think it cost about 1,000 yen, if I'm not mistaken. Alright, I'm gonna open this knife. So let's get the knife out. That's my army knife, which my uncle gave me. Oh, there you go. Okay, get the knife. Alright, let's open the box. First bag, we've got the C2 plate, which is the shield, the backpack, the waist, the torso. Sorry. Oh, nice. The railguns are in that nice. The railguns are in the correct color. That's pretty good. That goes on the torso, the vents. Yep, I know that. The railguns, the yellows. The yellows, which is goes in the UV fin and the eyes. So that sticker is pretty good. And the wings, like I said, shield, the V fin, whatchamacallit, the face mask, the head, the waist, and the wings. Yeah. Oops. Okay, got the SD frame, and then the gray parts, which is the beam rifle. Yeah, yep, you need to cut those, I can tell. The eyes, the outline of the eyes, the Vulcans and the vents on the head, and the the hands, and this part of shield. And the last bag, we've got the B3 plate, which is again, it's the dedicated B2 plate. Stickers, well, they're not too bad. They're large, but yeah, they're okay for me. And the red parts of the kit. Alright, let's go on the manual. Alright, let's move there. Okay, manual, yep, as usual, it's a pretty small manual, and you know, it's a pretty simple build. That's all SDs go. Yeah, so yeah. And wow, I just realized the instructions are a little more smaller than usual. That's pretty interesting. Yeah, they're smaller than usual. They're not. It's a little more complicated than the normal SD build. So, yeah. Yeah. I pretty look for in build this. So yeah, that's my unboxing of the. Hold on. The SD Cross Silhouette Freedom Gundam. Yeah, I'll see how it goes. I will get this guy building before my internship starts, and I will get you guys a review. So yeah, that's it, guys. Thank you for watching. Oops. Thank you guys for watching this unboxing. And stay tuned for more videos. Peace out.